Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Hilton's emotional state following his recent surgery. He seems to be experiencing symptoms of depression.
That's concerning, Mihira. Depression can be a common side effect of surgery, especially after a major procedure. Have you noticed any specific changes in his behavior or mood?
Yes, he's been withdrawn, isolating himself from others, and expressing feelings of sadness and hopelessness. He's also lost interest in activities he used to enjoy.
These are all signs of depression. It's important to address this promptly to prevent further complications.
I've tried to provide emotional support and encourage him to participate in activities, but his symptoms persist.
Mihira, we should consider a referral to a mental health professional for a formal evaluation. They can assess the severity of his depression and recommend appropriate treatment.
That's a good idea. I'll schedule a referral and discuss the options with Mr. Hilton.
Thank you for sharing that with me, Mihira. It sounds like you've been carrying quite a heavy workload, and I'm sorry to hear it's been affecting your sleep and overall well-being. Stress can have a profound impact on our bodies, even in ways we don't always expect. When we're under stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which are meant to help us cope in the short term. However, if stress continues for too long, these hormones can suppress your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off the virus that causes cold sores. This connection between stress and your cold sore means that alongside any medical treatment, managing stress could be a key part of improving your symptoms and preventing future outbreaks. Some effective ways to reduce stress include practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular physical activity, even something as simple as a daily walk, can also help release feel-good hormones and ease tension. Additionally, getting enough rest is crucial. Aim for a consistent sleep routine to give your body the chance to recover and heal. How does that sound to you so far?